Hi foodies, today guess what? We're gonna do tacos in a bowl. Okay, so this is real easy to do. You can either call it taco in a bowl, taco salad in a bowl, whatever. The history of this is very interesting. It really didn't come about from Mexico. This is a Tex-Mex idea that was put together to make a nice lunch salad with lettuce, and here I have some ground turkey I'm going to use. Here I have some taco seasoning. I have some beautiful tomato, some dressing of some beautiful avocado, some cheddar cheese I have. And this I've made to put on top a dressing for this salad, which today I've made an avocado dressing. So here we have avocado, a little mayo, a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and just a hair of garlic powder in there for taste. But the lemon juice finishes it off. I give it a little lemon juice to finish it off, so we have a beautiful, delicious salad dressing. Everything here today is going to be healthy. And beans, we should talk about beans. I am going to use chichi beans or garbanzo beans, okay? You can use, and I'm gonna make a salad, my God, bacon, lettuce, and tomato, but I'm gonna add one ingredient, the avocados. So if you look down here on our board, Anthony will give you a look-see. I have tomatoes, avocados. Over here I've got some lettuce ready to go. And over here I've got some bacon ready to go. And I'm using turkey bacon. Use whatever kind of bacon you love, okay? And I made some croutons. Beautiful olive oil croutons with a little garlic, salt, pepper. It's just delicious. Absolutely good. Okay, so this is easy how we do this. We start by taking our lettuce, and we're here on the board down here, and we're gonna cut this lettuce up and sort of kind of get it so it's shredded, but I don't quite like it shredded. I like it more a little bit something you can grab on, right? In pieces, and then into the bowl we go. And then I'm gonna get another one of these here, and we're gonna cut this one up. And these are beautiful.
That's a beautiful romaine.
Romaine hearts is what this is.
Oh, that's nice.
And these are absolutely gorgeous. They make a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lettuce to mix in with everything else. See how nice that is? Absolutely gorgeous. And I'm gonna cut up the rest of this one. We like our greens here, if you guys haven't figured that out in all this time. And so there we go. We're gonna get that in our bowl. And then what I'm gonna do is give this just a little bit of like this here to loosen everything up.
Fluffer.
Yeah, a little bit of schlepping up there, right? Okay. So now what we're going to do is I think we're gonna put in here next some bacon. So you get your bacon cooked. I air fried this turkey bacon. You can cook it any way you like it. So we're just gonna sort of cut it up like this, cut him up, and so you get him sort of cut up in there, or you could take it and you could crumble it up like this. See how I'm doing
that
this?
looks good.
You can crumble it if you don't want to cut it, and I made this so it's just perfect.
So it's low fat.
This is less fat than regular bacon, but if you don't like turkey bacon, don't use it. Use regular bacon, okay? All right. So now what I'm going to do...
This is beautiful, the red and the
Isn't that
green.
something? Yeah. And what I'm going to do next is get some tomato over here. And I've got a couple of these beautiful tomatoes. And I'm just going to take the core out. And I'm going to take the core out of both. Two of these nice tomatoes will be just perfect for Anthony and I today. And what we're going to do is I'm just going to take them and dice them up. Just dice them up. Dice them up. Dice them up. Nice pieces. Nice pieces. Remember, if you were going to have this in a sandwich in the deli, you'd have slices. But we're making a salad. So we need some pieces here, right? Okay. And if you don't like the seeds, take them out. I'm leaving them